Alright folks, welcome to the internet favorite corner of chaos, where ChatGPT meets Facebook, two things that together could either revolutionize social media or make your uncle's conspiracy theories even harder to ignore. Today, we are diving deep into the how ChatGPT 3.5 will handle Facebook, from crafting status show witty even your high school crush might notice to commenting on posts without accidentally starting World War 3. Stick around because by the end of this video, your online game is gonna be smoother than your favorite cat meme. So buckle up and let's turn Mark Zuckerberg's digital playground into ChatGPT's comedy central. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, let's talk about in the ChatGPT 3.5 what is social media Facebook. So let's learn and let's talk about it. Using ChatGPT 3.5 to write a Facebook content. Using ChatGPT 3.5, you can create a Facebook content. It's like having a one item of creatives at your site. ChatGPT can save time and keep your followers updated. Define a Facebook post goal. Means before you are using a generative AI to help you, first of all, you set up one clear goal for your post. Means which type of goal of your post is. Example, let me give you some three example goals. First example goal is promote a new product or a deal. Number two, keep followers updated. Number three, engage with followers. These three goals I am telling you in today's video. We will give examples of all of these. Know your followers. First example is I have told you about the know your followers. Now, to get noticed by your audience, it is important to know what they are interested in. For example, interest, like first, learning interest, people who are looking to learn within a topic. Number two, brand interest, people who love your brand. Number three, conversion interest, people who actively use Facebook to engage in conversion. Ask ChatGPT for a help. Now, we can use to write the first draft for each part. For out examples, we will use the code.pk.com products and news. So example 1, I am giving a promote a new product. As in the example 1, I am giving a promote a new product. In it, I am writing create a one Facebook post that announces code with PK spaces and its keys features for people learning to build websites. So this type of one prompt I am writing into the ChatGPT and let's see the output of it. First of all, let me open my Google Chrome and let me come on my chatgpt.openai.com and I have already told you how to log in it and all the things. Now, I am pasting here and I write a prompt, create a one Facebook post that announces code with PK spaces and its key features for people learning to build a website. So let's see the output of it. It is giving me introducing to code with PK spaces your launch pad for building website. Now it is giving me this type of one and Facebook post. Here you can see it. Okay, and in the diagram it is giving me this type of an output. It is the same. Okay, this is this example and this example are same. There is not any difference on it. Okay. Now, first example I have told you about promote a new product. Now let's go on our next example, and our next example is on about keep followers updated. So how you can and how your followers keep updated? Let me show you. If you want to create a one Facebook post, if you want to create a Facebook post about how 300 plus AWS means Amazon training videos are now included for code with PK premium users, include a one call to a action. So this type of one prompt I am giving the ChatGPT, and now let's see the output. I say create a one Facebook post. In the previous video I told you about the Twitter, LinkedIn, and from the previous video I told you about the Instagram. And you are thinking why I do not tell you about the Twitter, because Twitter are banned. Yeah, okay, that's why I'm not using a Twitter. I'm not telling you a Twitter because the Twitter are banned in many countries. Okay, so that's why I'm not telling you the Twitter. So I say it to the Facebook, create a one Facebook post about 300 plus 300 plus means 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000. AWS training videos means training videos who which people are if you want which people are want to train in AWS, so it will see the video. And included for code with PK only premium user means who purchase the premium, so it can only be see the AWS training videos. For code with PK premium user include a call to action. Now let's see the output of it. Now it is giving me big news for code with PK premium users. We are excited to announce that 300 plus AWS training videos are now included with your code with PK premium subscription. Here you can say now it is giving me this type of one post. Then you will be copy it and then you will paste this on your post. So this is one second example, and the diagram it is giving me this type of output. There is not any difference in here and in my diagram. Okay, these are same. Example 3. I told you about example 1 and example 2. Let's come on over example 3 by the name of engage with followers. This is one prompt I am giving to the ChatGPT. Create a one Facebook post. Okay, Facebook post, because I am telling you about the Facebook. Okay, post that asks tech influencers means like computer, who are using computer and all the thing, and teachers means in the school you have a teacher to told you something, so that teacher, to discuss code with PK spaces. I write here code with PK spaces. Here you write your anything, and here I say include the product link also. And let's see the output of it now. Here it is creating a one Facebook post that asks tech influencer and teachers to discuss code with PK spaces, include a link to a product. Now here you can see it is giving me what is code with PK spaces and that all the thing, and here it is giving me the link also. Okay, this in this and these are different. Okay, in this example it give me a different answer, and in this example it give me a different answer. Okay, both are different. Post and engage with your audience. Post it once you have reviewed, personalize and are happy with your post. Remember to respond to reply means who are asking you a question, so please reply them. Okay, so here you can see, and this type of engaging Facebook post I gave you. So if you enjoy this video, and please you must know which type of prompt you are writing and it give you the right answer, so you must know that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So in our about these type of videos about the generative AI, and please access my generative AI playlist and bookmark it. So if you don't know how to do this, so you only want to do it, come on to Google, search here my channel by the name of Code with PK, and in the first my channel has been came, and when you click on it, so now come on to the videos and see my all the videos. And why you are not seeing my videos, so go and see it. Okay, go. And now here I am uploading many type of videos on the generative AI, and I am making a chatbot also. So come on to the playlist and come on to the generative AI roadmap for absolute beginners playlist. And when you come on it, and first of all access it and bookmark my playlist and see my all the videos of the generative AI. I uploaded a 21 videos of the generative AI, so go and see that all the videos which I am uploading it. Okay, so but anyways, now I meet you next class, and next amazing class or like that type of video. So but and that's it for today, everyone. If ChatGPT 3.5 ever takes over your Facebook, just remember it might write better posts than you, but it still doesn't understand why people post blurry food pics. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that like little bell so you don't miss more fun stuff. Let me know in the comments your funniest Facebook moment, or just say hi if you are feeling shy. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't let ChatGPT comments on your crush post. Bye for now. So goodbye.